Street classic. Street.
Yes, street.
Boy rocking. Yeah, in a me hood, many youths won't be like Weezy. But many dreams don't die, my brother, you know easy. Taking in us for fun, day to day, me day easy.
Okay, if I would be sincere, I would say, okay, I'm picking out of emotions.
Okay.
Yes.
But
But this one,
yeah,
for me, is a classic. So you can move on.
okay.
But don't worry, next one I will not pick out of emotions again.
Yeah, no.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe my love for Balo ranking.
No man.
Because no, I don't joke with Balo.
No man.
Yeah. Classic. 100%.
Junior boy, I didn't get them sugar, ancestor.
So if this is a classic, not just the banger.
Life in a toxic sugar. Ayé tí mo wá mi ò wá jẹyà. Mo ti ṣe ìbọn mi pẹ̀lú àpàdà. Mo dẹ̀ ti fọwẹ́wọ́ wẹ́pọ̀ lágbàlagbà. Yeah, mo ti ṣàwọlé ayé. Okay,
This one a classic.
you asked me a question, you said, is it a banger, a classic?
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like the lyrics, if I will be sincere, even the next generation to come, this lyrics is prayerful.
Yeah.
This lyrics is talking about anybody, what anybody will be wishing for. You understand? And what anybody can talk about and will surely talk about as time goes on. You understand?
So you think the song has like mad cultural?
Yeah, it's
to the sound, to street sound. I think it has like
even the sound itself is not just Yoruba-ish.
Yeah.
It's general.
Yeah,
Even I've been to like I've been to places. Don't let me just say states in the east, north, and they're playing this. So this is a classic for me.
I was love mama. Tabatiri snap Bujati. One toju dede. One dem ma pẹ̀lú fulawa lórí. Lo. Bese sókè o. Gbé body sókè o. Ọmọ yòókù gbéra tán.
You know why I won't put this as a classic? Because it's a Southwest song. It's just based on the Yoruba people. And that's the difference from this song to that other one. Yes. It's a good song, but generation, it did not cross over, transcend to this generation. Now us, we did that time at the age of 15, 16, we dey vibe to this song.
Baby, lọ́mọ Ádámọ̀, ayọ̀mọ̀ gbòòrò sálámọ̀.
Once again, during the date,
I dey kill mosquito well.
Yeah, classic. Classic. If I will be sincere, I don't think make I no go far. They go see this video. It's still a vibe. I mean, most of the time, Small Doctor perform these songs last at the show.
I feel like this is a classic.
Yes, it is. It is.
Bella, thank you for your time.
Thank you, my bro.
Chook mouth.
Wazobia 95.1 Wazobia.